Well, hey you guys, and welcome again to my car. We are going today on a little makeup hunt to Nordstrom's rack because I have heard some rumors, okay, and this is just purely for like a shop with me. I'm not gonna be buying any of it, but I've heard rumors, I've seen TikTok, I've seen Instagram, I've seen YouTube videos of people finding Jeffree Star cosmetics in Nordstrom's rack. Some people have even seen them in some TJ Maxx and TK Maxxes. Now, I'm not gonna be buying any because I don't purchase his brand anymore. It's kind of like a weird segue to find it there though. It's like the money's not going to him anymore, but like, I don't know. I don't need any in my collection, but I just kind of wanted to see if it's out there because I think it's a nice way to be able to get stuff without supporting him still. I don't know. I'm really just curious if I can find any because, you know, it's a brand that I used to use and a couple years I stopped using them. I've talked about it before. I don't want to go into big detail. I know a lot of people don't buy Jeffree Star cosmetics anymore, and there's plenty of YouTube videos all about who he is and supporting, maybe not supporting those things anymore. Yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. The information's out there. You can search it out if you want to. It sucks because I liked the cosmetics a lot back in the day, but here we are. So I'm just being a nosy Rosie today. And if you're nosy along with me and want to see if his products are actually there, then come hang out. Let's go shopping. It's funny to me. It's funny because he used to talk a lot of smack to different brands like KBD brand and stuff when they were found at TJ Maxx. I believe there was even the Laura Lee one when that happened, when she got dropped from her Ulta contract. So I just find it funny that like, it's like, you know, maybe you shouldn't mock people, businesses, because you might be in those shoes too one day. So yeah, I want to see if it's there. I want to see if it's at my local Nordstrom's racks. Whatever, Nordstrom's. Nordstrom. I always think I make it plural, but I think it's just Nordstrom rack. I have a gift card right here. Hang on, because I might find some clothes there I want to buy. It's Nordstrom. I will never get that right. But anyways, but I am going to be looking at other stuff there too, other makeup products they're going to be having. So I'll show you everything that's out. I haven't been to a Nordstrom rack, I think, since pre-pandemic, honestly, at least to see the makeup. I might have run in at one point, but then like anyways, my point is I want to see what's available now because it's been so long. And if you want to see what Nordstrom rack has available for cosmetics, usually they're around half the price, but sometimes there are things that'll full price, like their NYX section. Don't buy from their NYX section because those are just regular prices and you might as well go to Ulta and get your points. But we'll talk about all of that when we see things. So if you're ready, then let's get going. Let's get shopping, boo, boo. Oh, look at all these Nest candles, diffusers, fragrances. If they have the holiday sets, they smell so good. Moss and mint. What is this? $26.97. Apple Blossom. This is a huge candle. And a mini one. Mini is $11. Orange Blossom. Ooh, this one smells really good. Bamboo and Jasmine. This one's a body mist for $19.97. So if you like these, ooh, linen diffuser. That one's $50. I have to see if that one is discounted at all. Seems like the regular price for that one. So you have to be careful. Some things are regularly priced, some are discounted. Okay, here's some Urban Decay and some Too Faced. Now I have seen some Too Faced being full price, so be careful with this too. Like this lip injection liquid lipstick, $26. That's the normal price of it. You might as well get it at Ulta or Sephora so you can get points. Bubble Gum Yum Lip Injection Extreme, $29. Those are normal, but there are some discounted ones in here. So these are like the little eyeshadow glitters, liquid eyeshadows, $10.97. Hangover Pillow Lip Balm, which has been spotted at TJ Maxx, but normal price here. It's the banana. Watermelon Kiss, yeah, normal prices. Kitty Likes to Scratch, $27, normal price. Hangover RX, normal price, which has been at TJ Maxx a lot. Here's some Stila, normal prices. What's happening? That's tricky to me since everything is usually discounted. I feel like people would come in here and be like, oh, discounted because it's at Nordstrom's rack, but it's not. These are normal prices, except when it comes to these Urban Decay Prince products. Those are half off. The Prince highlighter. This is the multitasking brush. This is the palette. Surprise. No, we're not surprised at all. $32.97. These went on sale like within the month that they were released. Naked 3, not on sale. See? That's kind of weird. Wired is on sale, $19.47. Pop Queen, yeah, that one's discounted. So it's just kind of like random. These are the old packaging products, so yeah, these ones are half off. Brow Blade, regular price, so be careful when you shop because some of them are full price. Also, they have LA Girl here now, which is also at Target, if you didn't know. Some Targets are carrying them, also CVS and stuff. I feel like you could get these better prices other places. CVS always does like coupons on their makeup, on those huge scarf receipts. And then same thing, NYX, get that at Ulta instead. These are all for full price. No Jeffree Star so far though. Okay, here we go in the back. Here is a big old section, but let's see if they're actually even on sale. Yeah, this is the lip gloss at $9.97. I feel like this is the new packaging too, right? I don't really keep up with them, but I know they changed packaging. Yeah, that is half off. Here are all the shades that they have at this store. What else is back here? The Cremated Lip Glosses. I don't know what the shade of that. That is really faded. Oh, there we go. Heaven's Gate. $9.97. These were the green collection, Blood Money. Oh, Magic Star concealer in the shade Lavender. I used to love the concealers, but they only have, of course, the colorful ones. So I heard that this is all from Morphe. That's like the alleged story that he was saying, like, oh, it was out of his hands. Morphe took their collection and sold it. He was nothing he could do about it, but it's like, you're still here. That's the same thing that happened with KVD, right? Sephora downsized them or whatever. It wasn't necessarily that KVD chose to go into TJ Maxx. It wasn't necessarily that Laura Lee decided to go to TJ Maxx. They had to offload a bunch of retail. And there's nothing wrong with being at TJ Maxx. He made it a big deal, right? These are the liquid lipsticks. These ones are on sale for $9.97. They look like they've seen better days too. They look a little bit sad. Celebrity Skin. I thought Celebrity Skin was nude. Is it red? Hi, how are you? No tea, no shade. This is the white one. Oh, and then down here we have Bloodlust. This one is, yeah, $30.97, so $31 for that one. Cremated, which is this kind of like around the time that stuff slowly started to come out more about him, which is crazy. $32.97 for that one. Is there anything else? There's a few of those. Anything else back there? No, not really. Just some random MAC. Honest. They had a package rechange, right? I think that's what happened. $8 for Honest. If they're looking for old Honest products that maybe were discontinued, you might find it here. Little Stila set. What is this? Ethereal Elements Boss Lip Gloss set. $30. Huh. Interesting. Oh, I've heard some people talk about this brand before. Mally. Ageless Eyes. Eyeshadow palette. $12.97. And another pile of Bloodlust. It's crazy what a craze it was, and now to see it here, it's just like, it's really a trip. How much has happened in 2 years, honestly. Yeah, here's some Charlotte, some Charlottes. Here's some Charlotte Tilbury. I have a feeling these things are full price though. I think it's just like their travel stuff. Yeah, like that's normally $15. Yeah, no, none of this stuff is gonna be on sale. But if you can't find the travel stuff and you wanted to try it, that's when it would be good. And again, so all these little travel sections, be cautious of. They're pretty much all gonna be normal prices, what you would pay. $15 for a mini setting spray. And I see one little clearance thing in here. I don't even know what this is. Wish? I don't know what that is. So, whatever. Well, I know that was a super quick trip, but we found what we were looking for. But I want to know, what do you guys think of Jeffree Star's products being in Nordstrom's rack, some TJ Maxx's, whatever? I don't think there's anything wrong with makeup brands being in these places. I love it because then they're discounted. I just don't like, back in the day, he tried calling out like brands like KVD and Laura Lee and stuff for ending up in TJ Maxx when they also didn't have a hand in it necessarily. And like sometimes happens, sometimes you over order and product doesn't sell, and why not go to places? But it was just the call out for me that was just like, my, how the turn turntables, you know? So there's that information. Do with it what you will. I do need to go to another Nordstrom's rack, so maybe next week or the week later we'll see a different one and what's there, because there's a certain, I've just found a bathing suit that I really liked there, but they didn't have my sizes, so I'm gonna try to find that. And why not take you guys along with me to see what stuff they have there at that one too. This one had a pretty small selection of makeup, by the way. Some of the Nordstrom racks by me have a better selection, so this one just was either picked over or just not fully stocked. So anyways, we're doing that. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx though before I do that one, because I need to do a TJ Maxx trip. So subscribe if you haven't yet. By the way, I'm ashleyellix and I post about all things beauty here, so follow me over on Instagram and TikTok too if you want some extended content at ashleyellix, and I will see you guys later. Bye.